got some good work done today. Got all of the oh Jesus, well, dumb. All right, well, I got all the capitals squared off, 2 1/4 inch square. And I got the bottoms all finished dimensioned at 2 1/4 by 3 inch. And I decided to dress them up a little bit by adding little footies on them. And hopefully I haven't just screwed the pooch by letting them fall over. But anyway, the glue's still wet, so I should be able to fix whatever damage I've just done. But these will be on the ground, and the outer edge is going to be trimmed to proper length, and then that'll be beveled, and this will be beveled much more severely just to give it a little more elegance. But yeah, I'm happy with how this has come out so far. Heavy. Yeah, long. But anyway, you can see that the uprights are going to be fully seated, and there's going to be blind tenons in the bottom. And in the top, I'm going to actually continue those mortise holes all the way through so that the tenons will be through tenons and will become blind pegs to the actual tabletop. Or at least that's what I'm thinking right now. Might change. We'll see.